Welcome to Ashwega News. I'm Kritika Espahati. Today we are talking about a surprising shift in the US. Indian techies, once celebrated for building Silicon Valley, are now facing suspicion and hostility like never before. This isn't a small trend. It reminds experts of the Cold War era, when Americans feared communists so much that spouses would spy on each other. Now, that same fear is being directed at Indian engineers and coders in America. The reason is partly political and partly economic. Under the Trump administration, H-1B visas, the program that brought skilled Indian workers to the US, face stricter fees, heavier scrutiny, and constant public criticism. Many Indians in tech feel their future in America now depends more on policy shifts than on their skills or contributions. Here's the deeper issue. This hostility isn't just about visas or jobs. It's a racial and cultural fueled by fears of immigrants taking American jobs and changing society. Even highly successful Indian Americans leaders in tech and politics have been targeted with online hate and public attacks. Experts say that this backlash is part of a pattern. During economic uncertainty or cultural anxiety, immigrants often become scapegoats. Despite Indians' enormous contributions to America's tech industry, they are now unfairly blamed for problems they did not create. The impact is real. Indian techies report constant anxiety, feeling they must justify their presence even while excelling professionally. Some fear long-term social exclusion, despite being top contributors to innovation in Silicon Valley. Ironically, the people generating the anxiety, far-right activists and politicians are targeting engineers who spend 72-hour weeks coding, building startups and fueling America's tech economy. In other words, the very people who helped create America's tech dominance are now being treated like outsiders and threats. This is not just about visas or jobs. It's about the identity, belonging, and how a society defines who fits in. Indian techies are facing a psychological toll, but their talent and resilience remain undeniable. This is Kritika Espahati for Ashwega News. Stay aware, stay bold, and remember the power of contribution speaks louder than bias.